What's up, guys? Been kind of having a battery drain issue on the Escalade a couple weeks back when the weather was cold. Battery went down and the battery froze. So I metered everything out. Got a brand new battery from Costco, put that in, and I'm still having some problems. So I'm sitting here looking at it, trying to figure out the diagnosis, and I'm drinking this SMRT water, and I think I came up with the solution. So I'll show you what we came up for a fix. So what I came up with after testing the battery, the wiring, and the factory alternator is I'm pretty sure that we need to put this high output alternator on the system to keep all the lights, the stereo bumping, and that battery charged up properly. So I think this high output bad boy is going to do just the trick.